you about the quadratic equations. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belonging to real numbers and c is not equal to 0. Is not equal to 0. If this quadratic expression has two roots, one is alpha and another is beta, then alpha plus beta बराबर होगा minus b by a, और alpha into beta बराबर होगा c by a, constant term by a. और its roots is, if you find out the roots of ax square plus bx plus c, तो ये roots जो इसका होगा x, इसका रूट होगा x अगर इसका रूट हो तो ये होगा माइनस b प्लस माइनस रूट अंडर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac by 2a. If one root is alpha, ये this is equal to minus b plus minus plus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. And another is root beta. If the beta is the another root, then it is equal to minus b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. And this b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं विवेचक. और it may be possible and it d and denoted as d. If d is greater than, maybe d is greater than 0, d is equal to 0 and d is less than 0, and इसी के आधार पर its roots will be dependent. Now in previous class you have studied polynomials in one variable, and the degree that if px is a polynomial, in the high powers of px is called the degree of the polynomials. Px, for example, 4x plus 2 is a polynomial in the variable of x of degree 1. This expression 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial in variable 2 of degree 2. The maximum number of the variable is the degree of the polynomial. In this case, this one 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus 2 is a polynomial in the variable of x of degree 3. And 7u square minus 3 by 2 u to the power 4u square plus 3 minus 8 is a polynomial in the variable of u degree 6 degree. Expression like 1 bata x minus 1 root under x plus 2 1 bata x square plus 2x plus 3, these are not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial of degree 1 is called a real polynomial. For example, 2x minus 3 root under 3x plus 5 y plus root 2. This expression x minus 2 by 11, 3z minus 4, 2 by 3u plus 1 etc. are a linear polynomial. A polynomial such as 2x plus 5 minus x square, x cube plus 1 x cube plus 1, etc. are not a linear polynomial. A polynomial cube is called a quadratic polynomial. The name quadratic has been derived from the word quadrant, which means a square. 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by 5, y square minus 2 minus x square plus root 3x. Then any quadratic polynomials of x in the form of, this is the standard form, x square plus b plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c belonging to R real numbers and a is not. This is the standard form of quadratic equation, and every equation of nth degree has n roots and no more. You will study in the honors classes, BSc classes. You will study if the root is 2. If the degree is 2, the roots are 2. If the degree is 3, the roots are 3. If the degree is nth, the number of roots are nth. So every equation of nth degree has n roots and no more. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Root under 2x cubed 3 minus x square plus x cubed 3 z square minus 2 x square plus x minus 1. In fact, the most general form of the polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Similarly, you can here the coefficient of x cube is a, the coefficient of x square is equal to b, the coefficient of x is equal to c, where a, b, c, d are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Now consider the polynomial px is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Then putting x is equal to 2 in this expression, you will get the result minus 6 obtained by replacing x like this, x cube minus 3 into 2 minus 4, this is equal to minus 6. And if x by 2 in x square minus x by 4 is the value of this one, x square minus x by 4 and x is equal to 2, then the value of similarly px at x over 0, which is minus 4. And you must remember that if the x square plus bx plus c has two roots, alpha and beta, then the sum of the roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Here b is the negative sign, b is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of x. इसलिए therefore a minus b by a, and the product of the roots alpha into beta is equal to some constant term c and the coefficient of this one. And the generalized roots of x is equal to minus a plus minus root under bx minus 4ac by 2a. Or you can write it separately. If the alpha is one root, then this is equal to minus b root b plus root over b square 4ac by 2a, and beta is equal to b minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. And this b square minus 4ac, this is called the discriminant. And if the discriminant is greater than 0, is less than 0, or equal to 0, the nature of the roots will depend upon the value of the discriminant.